Serpentine, a beautiful and captivating gemstone, is said to possess a multitude of magical properties that have been revered by various cultures throughout history. Serpentine is often associated with spiritual enlightenment. It's believed to open the crown chakra, the energy center that governs our connection to the divine or higher power. By aligning this chakra, serpentine can help individuals tap into their intuition and enhance their spiritual awareness. It is also known for its powerful protective qualities. It's often used in amulets and talismans as it is thought to guard against negative energy. Many believe that carrying or wearing serpentine can create an energetic shield that wards off harm and negativity, making it a popular choice for those seeking protection. Serpentine is also associated with emotional healing. It's believed to help release fear, anxiety, and stress, promoting calmness and peace of mind. This makes it a fantastic stone for meditation and mindfulness practices, as it aids in achieving a state of tranquility and inner harmony. In terms of physical healing, serpentine is often linked with detoxification. It's thought to aid the body in removing toxins and improving overall health. To magically improve your finances, serpentine is also associated with abundance and prosperity. It's often used in rituals and spells aimed at attracting wealth and success.